So we'll go and have a look in this building here. This is the compressor house. So this mine actually worked until fairly late. I can't remember the exact year. I'll put it in a caption below. But this mine actually was sort of crossover, half sort of old Victorian mine and half modern mine, and so they had compressed air underground here, which was obviously not available in the earlier mines. And the compressed air drives a lot of the equipment underground. All of the drills are powered by compressed air, and some of the machinery is powered by compressed air, like scoop trams and the like. It's all powered by compressed air. And of course, compressed air doesn't produce a spark. Not that that was ever a problem in Cornish mines, but in other mines that was a problem. And of course, compressed air, unlike diesel, doesn't produce any fumes underground. It just and it helps actually with the airflow as well. And so on these giant concrete stands, there would have been a series of compressors with pipework running underneath that would have produced compressed air for the mine, and then that would have powered the equipment underground. So that's the compressor house. There's another large industrial building here that we need to have a quick look at, and that's this one just here. So this building here is the ore bin. It's where the material from the mine would have been stored. There's a little tunnel here. I'm not quite sure what this was for. It always fascinates me. Perhaps there was some kind of mechanism that went through there. I can't think what else it would have been for. But effectively, this would have been where the ore was stored up high. So the idea was you lift it once, so you don't have to lift it again. Just turn around, look at that view, so we look back. You lift it once, so you don't have to lift it again, and then gravity does all the hard work. And you can see the lines at the side there where there have been timber walls, and the ore would have been tipped into this building here and would have slid down these beautiful pieces of granite here, and then onto the dressing floors down here. So this area here, there's nothing left now, but I'm assuming this is the area where the dressing floors were. It's really unusual to have a flat piece of ground in Cornwall that hasn't been developed, and this is probably where the dressing floors were, and all of the ore from the ore bin would have been led down here and gone through buddles and shaking tables and other pieces of equipment in, or stamps potentially originally, to separate out the tin and the copper ore from the gang material, the waste material. I've been the Down to Earth Geologist. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more content like this.